Hi everyone, I'm Justin from Rendall Certified Cleaning Services, and today I'm going to take you on a little tour of our van and our truck mount. Kind of go through the setup that we do when we arrive at your house. So first things first is after we get everything measured, we know how much space we're working with, we'll start coming out to empty out the van. We got a lot of little tools and things to help us out. First we'll get our air movers out that we bring in to help dry your carpet. Something like these guys over here. So we bring 6 of these with us. That way it'll help dry your carpet faster. So we'll empty out that, we'll get our treatments and spotters. We'll fill up our tool bag with whatever spotters we think we're going to need for that job. We'll bring that in, start treating spots that we need to treat. And then after we get all that little stuff out, we're going to bring in our lines, our hoses. The orange one here, I'll take you around to the side actually over here. They both plug in to our truck mount right here, and this is the unit that actually provides the pressure for the water, the heat for the water, and also the vacuum line to suck all the water back out. The orange line is the vacuum line. The blue line is our pressure line, or hot water line. A little bit more insulated. And after we're done pre-spraying your carpet, extracting it out, the water actually collects in the waste tank right back here, that blue tank back there. That's where all the wastewater goes. Do I need to hook up to, or do you need to hook up to our water? Most of the time, no, we don't need to hook up to your water. Sometimes if we're running a little low from a job before or something like that, we might need to top off a little bit, but we do carry 100 gallons of water with us right here in our water tank. So we pre-fill this every night before we go to our jobs. And most of the time that's usually pretty sufficient to cover, you know, a good 1,000 square feet of cleaning. Somewhere around there, give or take, depending on how dirty or how many spots there are we had to work on. So yeah, we have our own water. The wastewater goes into the waste tank. And then we have our vacuum line, our pressure line, air movers, and our treatments, and then our general free spray we use over here that gets sprayed onto everything. So yeah, those are just some of the basics that people ask us. So we do have a couple hoses that we bring into the house. If you have a normal sized door, not like an executive door, we can fit in our seal door, which will block, keep your AC in the summertime, keep the heat in during the winter time, keep your pets in and out. And the nice thing about this is spring loaded. Put this in like this. Now I have a little flap down here for my vacuum and my pressure line to come in. And that does a real good job of keeping things inside and not letting the outside in, and vice versa. So we've got a bunch of little tools. We have corner guards to protect your corners when our hoses are going around corners. Something like this right here. Something like this, go around the corner. Or we even have wall huggers that actually go around the corner of a wall. This will help so the hoses don't slide and paint or chip any paint or anything like that, or leave any color marks on your walls. So yeah, that's our basic setup that we do at every job. And the common questions people usually ask: do you have your own water? What do you need to bring in? We do have a fair amount to bring in, but this will kind of give you an idea of what to expect when we do come out to your house.